Clever Creations Modern Copper-Plated Candle Holder by Clever Creations is one of the best sellers among baby absorption sleeves products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Modernize your home. It's never been easier to add modern, unique style to your home than with this copper lantern. Its authentic, plated look makes it a stylish accent to any room, inside or out. Premium metal, the reflective, copper metal this lantern is made of will sparkle beautifully in the light of its candle. Perfect as a room decoration, table centerpiece, or as a lighting element, these lanterns will spice up the look and feel of any room. Ideal size, built to fit onto shelves, tables, counters, and more, this lantern measures 5.33 inches by 5.33 inches by 11, making it a perfect fit in any room, regardless of its function. The attached carrying handle is perfect for moving this lantern without fear of burning your fingers. The handle is tall enough to give a wide clearance between the top of the lantern and your fingers. No flame, easy lighting. This lantern comes with an electric candle for quick setup and a long-lasting great look. Changing the candle is as easy as undoing the latch, opening the door, and swapping the candle inside. Flameless or electric candles, like those included, work perfectly with these lanterns for a mess-free experience. The manufacturer are committed to quality, safety, and your satisfaction when purchasing Clever Creations products. As the manufacturer offer a full refund or replacement guarantee for one full year. If you are ever not satisfied for any reason, please contact them directly. The manufacturer love these lanterns, and the manufacturer know you will too. Covers range from 4 PJs. The Ultra Clean Need Gem Old Babies 9.